freckles look pretty on anyone that used that filter today. I want to make that look come to life. If you guys want to see how this look is created, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off with my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Foundation. This filter definitely has a more flawless skin finish, so I do want a higher coverage look today. And my trusted beauty blender. And next, I'm gonna use my Cover FX Power Play. So for the eye look, I definitely want something more simple and a little bit girly, so I'm going with my ColourPop Waddles. I almost hit pan on this thing, but I'm just gonna use my fingers, use this as a base color. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia palette of Pop, and this is in the Pillow Talk color. This one is all shimmery colors, but first I want to go in with this dark type of brown shade. I'm going to use that in the outer corner. With this orange shade in the center of our lids. And lastly, I'm gonna go with this shimmery shade and pop this in the inner corner of our eyes. And now I'm going to tightline my eyes. We're kind of clamming the crap out of my lashes right now. I'm gonna go with my mascara essence. With mascara. This filter definitely has a very flushed cheeks, so I am going with my Dandelion Benefit Mini Blush. We are going to pack a load of this to give us that very rosy cheek look. This blush is definitely very, very light, so we have to pack more on this than what I would have liked. I need this to be a little heavier, so I'm actually gonna go in and try my new Jouer blush palette. This palette is so pretty. I recently got this in my Sephora haul, so if you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description so you can check it out. Rose petal color right here. Just gonna pack this on our brush. That is so pretty. I actually really like this blush. I totally forgot we need nose contour. My Fenty Mocha contour stick. Tip of my nose. Wet n Wild highlighter. I want to give our nose a nice highlight. Do I kind of have like an Asian glow right now? This is probably how I get after I have a couple of drinks. On to the main part of this filtered look, which is the freckles. I actually got a new e.l.f. brush for this video. I know, dedication. My huge Morphe palette. I actually never used this palette, and can you believe it? The first time I'm using it, it's for my fake freckles. With these two brown shades. Mix them. Okay, we're gonna go a little light-handed on this. Not all freckles have the same coloration and size. To see how this look definitely have some very chiseled jawline, so I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit bronzer. Apply this at my jawline. Just do a little bit of contour. This look has a very simple eye look. I think I'm just going to recurl my lashes a little bit. go ahead and put an extra coat of mascara. I'm going to fill in the gaps with my Kat Von D liquid liner. To the lips. So the filter has some very natural lip color, so I'm gonna go with my NYX Soft Matte Cream in Stockholm. So for the final touch, I want to give my eyes a little pop. So I'm just going to use any of these champagne eyeshadow colors, and then I'm just going to dab them in the inner corners of my eyes. So there we have it. This is my attempt to achieve this Instagram filtered makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Here's my doggy. He's sleeping right now.